Welcome to Zoomers RV of Wabash, Indiana. This is the new 2021 Forest River Sierra 39 BARK. This 41-foot fifth wheel has 4 slides and sleeps 8 people. It weighs just 12,079 pounds. It has a rear kitchen, opposing slides in the living area, and a king bed in the front bedroom. This fifth wheel MSRPs at $76,869. It is available at the Zoomers low price of $50,988. That is as little as $350 a month. Zoomers hassle-free on-site financing. We have rooftop access. As always, you can see more specs and get more pictures at zoomersrv.com. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions. We have a quad step entry. And before we go inside, you'll see that as King Connect, it's equipped with Wi-Fi router and range extender. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Here we are inside the spacious rear kitchen, Forest River Sierra. Here we have a large LG refrigerator. You'll notice an AC as well as a fan in the living area. In this rear kitchen we have lots of counter space, a 4-burner cooktop, oven, LG microwave, and some cabinetry. You also notice this beautiful backsplash. We have a lit pantry. And here we have freestanding chairs and table in this slide here. As mentioned before, our living area has opposing slides with sofas in each slide. Here's some accent lighting above the entertainment area, a large TV, and a fireplace. Directly across, we have seating. When you first step in, you have room for a closet and your coats. Before we go to the front bedroom, let's look at the fully enclosed restroom. This camper has lots of foot space around the toilet, which is something you don't get in every camper. It's a good feature to have. We have double sinks, great for multiple people getting ready at once, and plenty of mirrors. We have a towel rack here, as well as a full linen closet. We have a seat in our shower, as well as a skylight. In our rear bedroom, we have a king bed. And this bed slide here, we have our second AC, a large closet with shelving at the back, a place for a TV, a built-in dresser. Let's get a closer look at this closet. As you can see, there's just a lot of space back here. We also have washer-dryer hookup. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this Forest River rear kitchen. Feel free to apply for financing or view any of our other fifth wheels online at zoomersrv.com. Thank you.